Alright everybody, right next to 21411 is 21415 Civic Center Drive here in Southfield, Michigan. We have an elevator. It's a Dover. Older, traditional, yes. Love these fixtures. Is it original on the inside? Heck no. This is worse than the other elevator. Motor's been replaced. The indicator up there has been replaced. The COP has obviously been ripped. So the only thing that's original is the guts, the controller. Door closed. Like I said, the other elevator is a placebo because the original panel did not have a door closed. The other thing I don't like about this elevator is that fan. Not a fan of it. But I am happy to say that the call buttons are original. That is a plus. I guess the door closes when it wants to. Let's test that theory. That doesn't work. Yep, the door just closes after a certain period of time, so no instant door close on this elevator. Stopping in 2.
Well, I like the philosophy that obviously this building service lady had. We'll put the stuff in place in worst case, best case you don't need it.
Yeah, but I don't know, based on your actions today, I think you do.
I love this area. It goes all over the place.
Have a good one. And that will be it.